Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Google Sheets using the official Claude for Sheets add-on. So first, it is important to understand that Claude doesn't connect to Google Sheets the same way it connects to apps through connectors. Instead, you will be using a Google Sheets add-on that lets Claude run directly inside your spreadsheet. And to get started, the first thing you need is a Claude API key. You can generate this from the Claude console, and this is what allows your sheet to actually talk to Claude's AI. To get this, just simply click on your profile icon at the very bottom. From here, you want to click on Learn More, then go to API console. Then it'll open a new window. All you have to do is just click on Get API Key. From here, simply choose Create Key. And that's it. Now, next thing, what you need to do is you have to open your Google Sheets and head over to the extensions or add-on marketplace. You can also go to Claude support to get that link. So just click this Claude for Sheets extension, install this, and accept the permissions it asks for. Now, these permissions allow the add-on to access your spreadsheet, connect to Claude's servers, and run prompts even when you're not actively using the sheet. Once installed, go to the extensions from your Google Sheet, then choose Claude for Sheets, and then open Sidebar. From there, you want to go into Settings. Just click this icon, Settings, and then API Provider, and simply paste your API key. After a quick refresh, you're now fully connected. Now here's the fun part. Actually using Claude in your sheet in any cell, you can type a formula like equals Claude, then your prompt inside quotes. For example, you can ask Claude to summarize data, generate text, or analyze information, and it'll return the answer directly in that cell. Just keep in mind you'll need to re-enter your API key for each new Google Sheet you create, so don't be surprised if it asks again. And that's about it. You have successfully connected Claude to Google Sheets and turned your spreadsheet into a smart AI-powered workspace. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!